hat, that's really neat. I is for igloo, made of ice. J is for jelly, sweet and nice. K is for kite, flying high. L is for lion with a mighty cry. M is for monkey, climbing trees. N is for nest, swaying in the breeze. O is for owl, awake at night. P is for penguin, waddling right. Q is for queen with the crown so bright. R is for rainbow, what a sight. S is for sun, shining above. T is for turtle, slow but tough. U is for umbrella, in the rain. V is for van, driving down the lane. W is for whale, big and blue. X is for xylophone, music for you. Y is for yo-yo, up and down. Z is for zebra, striped all around. Now we know our ABCs. Singing letters is such a breeze. Next time won't you sing with me?